Elevate your outdoor lighting experience with our premium aluminum solar motion lights. These lights, boasting a powerful 1700 lumens brightness from 208 LED beads, ensure unparalleled clarity and visibility for your outdoor areas. Engineered with a substantial 26,000 mAh Li-Fe-Po4 battery, they promise extended hours of illumination, keeping your spaces lit from dusk till dawn. With 9 adaptable lighting modes, these lights offer versatility to match every mood and occasion. Their robust aluminum alloy build and IP65 weather-resistant rating guarantee durability against all elements. Designed for easy, DIY-friendly installation, they seamlessly integrate into any garden, patio, or walkway. Embrace the blend of advanced technology like light control, motion-activated, and adjustable color temperature, making these solar motion lights a compelling choice for those seeking a blend of style, sustainability, and security in their outdoor lighting solutions. Contact us at 00173770201119 or email info@coolenergy.com for more information.